Billionaire program is the lucky spot here in TBC. This is Division Amelita Clemenia and welcome to my channel. In this vlog, guys, I just want to give you an update, especially for this coming Christmas TBC promo from our admin. For those billionaires, for those who want to be a billionaire, you can see what are your benefits, especially this December, that it is the last month for the promo. Okay? So, for those old members since 2016 until October or November, you still have time to cope or to get hundreds of TBC, or you can get more than that if you will be active as billionaire or just pay the billionaire program of your account so you can get the 100 TBC promo this December. So additional for that, having 100 TBC by just paying the program fee of $30. Here are some of the benefits that we can get within the month of December. So I will just share my screen to my account, Kringle Cash account, and we'll just read the blog of admin. So we'll go to education and then the private blog. So we'll just read this part, guys. The weekly meeting that was November 23 of 2020. Here is the update of our TBC wallet, which was overhauled for almost 1 month, and hoping that it's now okay. The TBC 009 wallet is backed up, but we need to make an adjustment on the decimal point on all of the balances. The previous coding was set at 10 decimals to the right of the point, and we need to readjust it back to 6 decimals. The previous blockchain developers created code that was incompatible with the updates of this particular brand of blockchain. Several things were corrected in this overhaul of the code. I'm sorry that it took this long, but the hardware failure started a process of exposing a number of faults that needed to be fixed. We have upgraded the talent on working on our wallet to a top-tier blockchain developer, and rest assured that the code is better than ever. Bear in mind that we did keep the TBC 009 wallet up and running for 2 whole years before this happened. We don't expect this to ever happen again, where the maintenance is more than a few hours. A month was too long, and we all wish it didn't take that long. All send buttons will be turned back on in about 2 days once the balances have had the decimal point adjustment. If anything looks odd, never panic and don't blast it out on social media. Just send in a support ticket and we will address it. So you can see support tickets, guys. You can see under your account if you are logging in with the Kringle Cash account, and also before logging it, you can see the chat to support. So if there's something wrong with your account, just directly chat to the support ticket or to the support help support, I mean. So you would be or they could help you to solve your problem. If anything, where are we? I'm not pleased when I see crap like that on a social media. It makes things look worse than they are. So please, no matter what your concern may be, if something is not as expected, just keep that to yourself and immediately click to the help desk and set up a ticket to get it resolved. So that's it, guys. And on this picture, it's the promo, as I have said. Expires December 31st of 2020 or when admin wallet balance reaches 500 million TBC, whichever comes first. Wow. So meaning, if you can see this one, referrals, by just one referrals, you can get 10 TBC. So if admin just have 500 million of TBC, so after that, if we can finish the TBC of admin, we will see what's next. Okay, so it's so exciting here. We'll just read this part. Christmas is coming early this year. Notice that red 10 on the table above, this one. That means you all, the TBC billionaires, are going to get 10 TBC coins per referral instead of 0.1 TBC starting now. Wow. Wow, now wow. All right. Yeah. If you sign up 5, then you will get 50. If you sign up 1,000, you will get 10,000 TBC and so on. All right. So they didn't pay yet, right? They just sign up, or you just help them to register under your referral link. So meaning just by just referring or by just registering them, you can get 10 TBC. So huge. I love it. No payment required. See? No payment required on the part of the referrals, as long as your payment is good and your account has not expired, then you will get the reward. Merry Christmas. All right. Wow. This is so huge, guys. Of course, it's now easy for us billionaires to reach this 500 million TBC from the admin wallet becomes zero. So that's the goal of TBC. If we're going to reach this balance of admin into zero, that's the TBC economy starts. Wow. So we can go through this. That's why we have to start it now until December 31st. Okay, so since our website is now easy to refer someone, because if they click your referral link, there are guides, there are video guides there. They can hear or they can watch or they can see what to do next with their account. So meaning there's no need for you to guide them anymore. Only if those really don't know what to do, or I think mostly people now are literate about computers, so or on the internet, so they just follow the video, and then it's so easy for us to have more referrals, especially if you are on a billionaire program. So for those old members starting March 2016, it's your time to get more TBC, to get more referrals, to get paid. Get paid today, work today, and get paid today. And if you don't do it, I can do nothing than to say thank you. Okay, so we're now going to focus to the new ones who are willing to be active on the TBC community, in which admin is still looking for the 111,111 billionaires, suitable billionaires, or those responsible billionaires that can lead their community. Okay, so at this point, also I'm going to give you an update of what's going on here. If you are an active TBC member, I hope you do read the vlogs of admin, especially this, because there are important things that you need to see inside the blog of admin, especially this one. See, I don't want to talk with this on my vlog because YouTube will take it down. Actually, they took twice of my videos because I feature this COVID-19 and the vaccine and the microchip, which is they don't want us to know. That's all. So I just want you to read this blog, and I don't want to talk anymore about it. So I think that's all for today, guys. I just hope that you will take the last chance this coming December to pay your program fee. Okay? Whether billionaire, millionaire, or just a starter, just also watch the videos inside the Kernel Cash referral link. I will just attach my referral link here under this video, and then just click it. You can see the video that give you an idea what to do to your account if you don't have enough money to pay for your program fee. So meaning we can help you how to do it even if you don't have enough money to pay for your program fee. So I just want you to watch the vlog or the video inside my referral link. Okay, so that's all for today, guys, and hope to see you in the next video. Be updated on TBC. Okay, so God bless everyone.